been 7 years now since we met.
일단은 제가 신부를 학교 테니스 동아리 하면서 만났거든요.
My very first impression of him was not that good because it was the first day of joining the tennis club and he was one of the older members and he just talks so much.
처음에는 같이 운동할 수도 있고 그리고 좀 잘 웃고 그래가지고 처음엔 좋아했었고요.
I thought he was so annoying, but eventually he grew on to me and here we are. I really like that he's open. He speaks his mind. He's also very willing to learn not only about my family but like American culture, our home culture.
같이 지내고 하다 보니까 본인이 스스로 뭘 원하는지 그리고 어떻게 느끼는지 직접 말해주는 부분이 솔직히 좋아가지고요.
When we were imagining our wedding, right, we were thinking of maybe something Western style. So the idea of having a traditional Korean wedding was, yeah, something maybe we could have never dreamt of.
I know today was quite tough because it was rainy, a little bit cold and windy. I appreciate so much that you hold everything tight.
신랑 박상옥군과 신부 백미양의 전통 혼례식을 진행하겠습니다. 실행 신랑 입장에 정사 초롱 동자의 신부 하동원 신부를 안내하시기 바랍니다. 하나 다른 짝은 맞지 않으며 이것은 천생연분이요 일심동체로서 들었습니다. 이에 진례는 이 혼인 신랑 신부를 함께 세우는 예입니다. 주인은 신랑을 인도해서 신부
날씨가 추우니까 긴 말씀은 안 드리고 이상으로 고맙다는 말씀을 드리고 인사에 가름하겠습니다. 감사합니다.
Today was actually pretty hilarious, very our style. Just winging it. We didn't know what to do. We didn't know what to expect. But I'm really happy that your parents gave us this opportunity to be able to experience the Korean culture and also open their arms to my family, my siblings.
Hi everyone, thank you for coming. We came all the way from the US to see our little sister get married to James.
Thanks for coming.
Just about 1, 2, 3. Everyone, especially like around my family, said you look so pretty. I agree with it. You look so pretty today. I felt very great to be the groom of you on this day.
But I hope that we can have a long and happy life. Let's not fight too much. Let's also have many fun memories and fun experiences traveling. And I hope that we can learn to love each other more. And I also hope that we can both live a long time together.
오늘 제임스 너무 결혼 축하하고 아내분도 너무 예쁘고
각각 둘이 너무 이쁜 둘이 만나서
결혼 축하해요.
꼭 행복해야 돼.
축하하고 그리고 행복하게 살고
축하해.